Have you ever wondered what truly excites you in life? Something that feels meaningful, fulfilling, and uniquely yours. Today, we'll uncover the secrets to finding your passion, step by step. Passion is more than a hobby, it's the fuel that drives us, even in challenging times. Studies show that pursuing passions can improve happiness, reduce stress, and even boost career success. But first, let's bust a few myths. Myth 1. Passion strikes like lightning. Reality: most people discover it gradually through exploration. Myth 2. Passion equals profit. While passion can lead to income, it's not always immediate or direct. Here's step-by-step process to discover passion. Step 1. Reflect on what excites you. Ask yourself, what activities make you lose track of time? What topics do you often read about? Step 2. Step out of your comfort zone. Try different hobbies or take a class. Sometimes, passion is found in the unexpected. Step 3. Identify your strengths and values. Use tools like personality tests or ask friends for feedback. Step 4. Experiment and adjust. Passion isn't static, it evolves as you grow. Take Sarah, for instance. She discovered her passion for photography at 30 after years in finance. Or James, who found joy in teaching after volunteering part-time. Ready to take action? Here's your challenge. First, spend 10 minutes journaling about your happiest memories. Second, try one new activity this week. Third, share your experience in the comments or on social media using #FindYourPassion. Your passion is waiting to be discovered. Start today, and who knows where it might lead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing insights.